Click on the link below to get price. The Vivi Electric Bike for adults is an impressive addition to the e-bike market, particularly for those seeking a robust, reliable, and stylish mode of transportation. With a 1000W peak motor, this electric cruiser bike delivers a powerful performance that can tackle various terrains with ease. Whether you're commuting through the city or enjoying a leisurely ride on scenic trails, the Vivi bike ensures a smooth and exhilarating experience. One of the standout features is its 26-inch wheels, which strike a perfect balance between stability and agility. The frame is constructed from durable materials, providing a solid foundation while maintaining a lightweight design. This makes the bike easy to maneuver, even in crowded spaces. The front suspension system enhances comfort, absorbing bumps and irregularities in the road, allowing riders to enjoy longer journeys without discomfort. The battery life is commendable, with a capacity that allows for an impressive range on a single charge. Depending on usage and terrain, riders can expect to travel up to 30 to 40 miles, making it suitable for both short trips and longer excursions. The removable battery feature is a significant advantage, as it allows for convenient charging without the need to bring the entire bike indoors. Additionally, the Vivi e-bike is equipped with a user-friendly LCD display that provides essential information such as speed, distance traveled, and battery life. This feature is particularly useful for those who want to monitor their performance and plan their rides effectively. The bike's design is also aesthetically pleasing, with a sleek frame and attractive color options that appeal to a wide range of riders. The addition of front and rear lights enhances safety, making it suitable for nighttime rides. Overall, the Vivi Electric Bike for adults combines power, comfort, and style, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their cycling experience. Whether for commuting or weekend adventures, this e-bike is sure to impress with its performance and features.